I come to you today from actually one of our suppliers who provides us with a high quality metal. Answering that question, are all companies the same? And you know the answer. The answer, of course, is no. There is no product you can buy or service you can buy that it doesn't matter who you get it from. Of course, service and workmanship matter. But here we're building a building. Right? This is not something that is a widget or a product that's already built. We have to install it and put it together. And so really, you're going to have to ask yourself a couple key questions as you go through this process. One is this company going to stand behind me? So they're obviously getting materials and installers. This is a construction project. If something goes wrong now or in the future, are they going to make it right and stand behind me? Obviously, at Lelands Metal, we will, and that's the purpose of what we put together and how we do business. Is we will stand behind you. The second, not so obvious question is, what is this building going to look like, and how is it going to perform in 3, 5, and 7 years? All metal buildings look great on day one. They're nice and shiny. No matter what kind of material you use, they're going to look the same. So when you get to the how well it's built and materials are used for it, is it going to last? Much like the house you buy or a car you buy, they all look good on day one. And we'll give you some tips on how to determine this going forward. But those are really only two questions you're going to have to ask yourself if they matter to you.